My video guide is about getting rid of the scary pop-ups that are coming from the site Boot-upoverlyrenewedinfo-file.info. It's a very long name of the website, but this website is faulty, deceptive, and you should not trust it. This website claims that it is some sort of Google Chrome update. It says that you need to download some unwanted browser extension into Google Chrome, and the message says that this is some update. But all this information displayed by this site, Boot-upoverlyrenewedinfo-file.info, is absolutely faulty. Don't trust these fake alerts. Don't interact with them. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and get rid of such third-party extensions immediately. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them. I also recommend that you research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.